Hi everyone! A lot has happened in the e-commerce industry after the COVID hit. The popularity of online businesses has grown and the e-commerce industry exploded. A lot of new e-commerce sellers emerged, while existing part-time sellers may have turned their side hustles into a full-time business. So lately, I've been getting many strategy calls with e-commerce sellers who've experienced a rapid exponential growth within the past year or so, year and a half. And so I thought I would record a quick video for you, which may be helpful, especially if you are growing your business. So, because these businesses grew so quickly, they didn't have the opportunity to even think about the importance of the proper accounting system in place. They focused on keeping up with the growing business demands, dealing with inventory issues, disruptions in supply chain, shipping delays, constant changing restrictions, um, implemented by Amazon and other challenges during that time, that as there were so many of these. Some tried to create some sort of accounting process. They started on Excel spreadsheet, which they couldn't really keep up with as their business grew. So it was just partial data, and it was just too hard for them. And they at some point just gave up. And some tried to set up some sort of accounting software such as QuickBooks, but it wasn't working properly for them. It was just too complex to figure it out and too time consuming, so they also gave up on that. Some just put the accounting on the back burner altogether, hoping one day they will catch up, and unfortunately the time has passed, and they still didn't get to work on it, as there is a constant flow of business operations activities that they need to deal with. As a result, they've been struggling to determine their true profitability. At best, they were relying on the estimated gross profit margins that they calculated themselves, or on incorrect partially set up books, or even worse, on just their gut feeling. So at these strategy calls, I hear their concerns, and they may say, I feel like I'm making money, but I don't know for sure. If I do, I don't know how much I'm making. Or according to my calculations, I have a good profit margins, but I don't feel like I'm making any money based on my bank account, as I'm constantly reinvesting in more inventory. Um, what I want to know is how much money and how much profit I actually make, and where do I stand compared to other e-commerce businesses. I also want to track my inventory correctly, and most importantly, since the business is growing, I'm likely to see an increase on my tax bill, so I want to pay the least amount of taxes possible. And yes, so this is very common actually. For some businesses, we find that after the proper setup, the numbers are not where they were expected to see them, unfortunately, because they were not taking into consideration certain expenses incurred as part of their business operations. And without knowing their bottom line numbers, they were expanding their business, ordering more inventory, investing in equipment, hiring people, and all of that thinking that they actually make money. Um, and I know it's hard to determine your true profitability when you're constantly reinvesting your available resources in more and more inventory, but have no accounting system in place whatsoever to track all of this. So my answer to them would be, first of all, you made the step in the right direction by reaching out to an e-commerce accounting and tax specialist, and you're definitely in the right place. So we specialize in e-commerce, and we help you get where you need to be with your accounting and your business goals. First of all, we will set up your streamlined accounting system with the set of integrations specific for e-commerce business and tailored to your particular situation, to your particular business model. And then we will also get your books caught up as far back as you'd like historically, depending on your needs. And we can also discuss that in more detail to see how far back is more beneficial for you to have your books caught up. Um, in the end, you will have a complete uniform set of books that are clear, easy to understand, and correctly representing your business financial performance. Once your books are in place, we will be able to analyze your financials and determine the areas of strengths and weaknesses and advise on various business strategies to improve your profitability, to grow and scale your business, and to reach your business goals. And we do this analysis on a regular basis by strategizing with you during the video meetings so that you will always have the information needed to take timely business management decisions based on facts and projections. And you get an ongoing support from an e-commerce expert CPA. Also, as part of the ongoing accounting, we provide monitoring of your tax situation and suggest various tax reduction strategies to save you money on taxes. Our clients find it very advantageous to have one firm to take care of their both accounting and tax matters, since we would have the deep knowledge of your business and we would be in the best position to advise you on your business and tax strategies and that suit your particular business the most. Every business is unique, of course. For example, private label sellers have a different set of requirements, issues, challenges compared to the retail arbitrage sellers, for example. Shopify platform accounting setup is completely different from Amazon. And actually, every selling platform has its own complexities, and we try to figure out the best solution for your particular situation. Even some of the clients are multi-channel sellers as well, so we take that into consideration when we determine what software tools and what setup is best for your situation. So if you feel like this is something your business has been experiencing and you feel like you need help with getting your numbers in order for better business decision making, schedule a quick strategy call with me and we will discuss your options and find the best solutions for your particular business. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon. Bye!